Well, I had a very bad mouth when I did come here. My teeth were in a very bad way, and I had to get them done. And I came here, I sat down with Dr. N and Dr. Doug, and both of them told me what they were going to do with me. And it was very extensive work. What I had to do was I had to go away and think about it. But I came back, and everything that they told me they were going to do for me, they did it. And the whole transition worked out really, really well. I mean, I did have quite a lot of work done inside my mouth, and which entailed quite a lot of blood and stuff like that. But I didn't have an awful lot of pain afterwards.
Well, first we extracted the remaining teeth that he had, and we placed 14 implants that day, and then probably a couple, and he also had his teeth when he left that day, so all of the abutments were placed that day as well, and the temporaries were placed, which is why it turned out to be such a long day.
I mean, yes, for 1 or 2 days, but it wasn't like what you call major swelling. It was okay, because I had constant contact with your office here, and people were, and I never had any. I wasn't really scared of anything, I mean, because I felt like that everything was being well taken care of. I had a bad experience with a couple of different dentists, that people who did not give me what they told me they were going to do for me, and so that didn't work out too good for me, but so it took actually quite a lot for me to come back and find the confidence again to do this, but I did, because when you come into this office here, like with everybody that's here, people speak to you the same as, you're one of them, so it's like, you don't have to feel afraid coming here or anything like that. I mean, not that I was scared of coming here, but it was just like the dentist is the dentist, to all of us, it's a visit that nobody wants to really take, but the whole experience here for me was very warm, very welcome, and I felt really good about it. It was actually recommended to me by a friend of mine who said that you were an excellent group of people, and you turned out to be an excellent group of people. On my initial work, on the big day of my work, I actually was on the chair for over 14 hours. I'm not really sure, but it was a long day, and I can't remember when any one of the staff here that were actually working on me even went for a cup of coffee or anything. They stayed with me the whole time during this, and we got over it. It was a very, very long day. Raoul was here, Dr. N was here, Cathy was here, and Dr. Doug himself. And everybody did an incredible job with me. I went home that night, and I was expecting to be sore, but I wasn't sore at all. I mean, I literally, the day after, I had a small bit of swelling, but nothing major. It was, it was okay. The following week, I was perfect again, And so far, this is over a year now. I've been doing it, and I've been coming back for my visits on a regular basis, and everything has been working out really good. All my implants they're perfect. I mean, they're tight, they're staying where they're supposed to be, and my mouth looks good. And I feel really happy, and I'm so glad that I did this actually. This was a big step for me to do it, because I spent most of my life with bad teeth, and when I did this, it worked out really good for me, and at last I can smile and I can feel good speaking to people, and it works out really good.